here are my top 3 TikTok content creators that focuses on AI education that are really good, and you're gonna learn a lot from them. So here are the 3 people that I recommend that you follow. So the first person I would recommend is Ask ChatGPT or si ChatGPT. So nakakatuwa yung mga content niya. Super galing, very educational, very simple ang explanation niya. Mabilis lang at saka laging may humor yung kanyang content. No? Madami kang matututunan sa kanya. Hindi lang on the explanation of what AI is, but more of really on how you can use it on a day-to-day basis. Ano yung mga applications na hindi pinag-uusapan ng mga ibang AI educators. No? The other person, si Gianluca Mauro. Ito, sobrang academic ng approach niya sa AI. Tsaka madami siyang analysis on AI. Nagtuturo rin siya on prompt engineering. So, madami kang natutunan sa kanya. But yung cool thing niya is really yung on the industry side, yung enterprise side, yung mga corporations, kung paano pwedeng gamitin yung paano gamitin ng AI, no? So, that's the other. And this guy, super low-key. His name is Nate B. Jones or Nate. Super low-key na AI educator na lang siya, kalma mag-explain, pero legit yung kanyang explanation about technologies, AI technologies na lumalabas ngayon. No? So, iniisa-isa niya lagi yan. So, any new update about AI tech or saan gagamitin yung AI tech, ano yung mga latest AI tech, i-explain niya on a day-to-day basis. Like, minsan 2 to 3 times a day, po-point siya. So, these are the 3 people that I personally look forward in following sa TikTok about their content, which I really love. No? So sana follow niyo sila. Yan, si Kat, si Gianluca, at saka si Nate. So yun, those are the 3 AI educators na I would recommend na pwede natin i-follow na super helpful if you want to learn more about AI at paano siya i-apply sa day-to-day lives. At the same time, kung ano yung impact ng artificial intelligence sa work or sa corporate life or sa country natin. So madami silang sinishare na valuable insights na I think na makakatulong for you and me, no, to more about artificial intelligence technology. No? So yun. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.